That is it, Pansit. Ano yan? That is it, Pansit. Nakikita ka? Anong sabi ko? This is it, Pansit. What's up, everyone? Welcome back to another episode of The Weekend Warrior. Today we are here in the small town of Harden. We are here to see the canola fields. It's the first weekend of October. It's a long weekend and heaps of people are coming here. Unfortunately, as we've learned from a local, that the canola fields have already finished blooming. So it's already late to come here. The ideal time to come here would be probably middle of September. So right now, I'm just having my lunch and then we'll head out to the canola fields and I'll show you guys what's all about. See ya! Here at one of the canola fields. It's the middle of the day, it's 12 noon, the sun is up high and it's so freaking hot, but behind me, as you can see, is one of the canola fields. So this is what we drove 3 hours from Sydney for, just to see this canola field. There's heaps more, so we'll continue looking for other fields that's accessible, sort of. As you can see, there's fencing, so we're not allowed to go beyond the fence because of course these are crops and we don't want to damage them. All right. That is it, Pansit. We have reached the end of the road and we have seen so much canola fields that I think it's time to go home now. I hope you enjoyed those drone videos and I hope to see you next time. My name is Icon and this is The Weekend Warrior. See ya!